Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. The time is now. Everybody's asking me, go ahead and post some workout stuff, tips and tricks and stuff like that. Tips about working out, lifestyle fitness. I'm like, sure, why not? I want to do other ventures, such as more action stuff, comedy stuff. Since New Year's just rolled by, New Year resolutions come by every 1st of January. And a lot of people like, are there newbies? They don't understand. They got questions. I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and post some stuff for people. Not even for new beginners, but I guess for people in general, because everybody needs to learn some certain stuff. Or if you already knew it, it's like a refresher for you. Posting in certain videos, rules and regulations, do's and don't do's at the gym. Like it's like your commandments at the gym, things you gotta stick to when you go into the gym. A lot of people asking me, but what is the trick to exercise and fitness? What's the secret? Well, how do you do it? This one is very important. The trick, the secret, diet. That's all it is. It's what you eat, what you consume, what goes in your body. This is no magic trick. There's no rocket science or anything. It's everybody's trying to lose weight, or for like me, gain muscle, gain weight. Diet. Everything you do goes back to your diet. Working out is the easiest part. Besides leg day, working out is the easiest part. The diet is where the moneymaker is. Diet is 80% of what your goals is going to be. You need to start eating healthy. Start having smarter health decisions, okay? You got to think to yourself, should I have salmon, broccoli, and rice? Should I go to McDonald's? Oh yeah, it's going to throw that out there for you. Most gyms that I go to, you step right outside. There's a fast food joint right across, like right there. You can see it. You can even smell it.
Look at that. You see that? The gym. And what's that over there? Look like what they call McDonald's over there. Yup. Drive through.
Yeah, it's right there, okay? Because guess what? It's a scam. Fast food joints, they're smart because after a workout, you kind of like depleted all your energy. You got to get something to eat. Americans are lazy. Lazy, fat country. Like, we're lazy. We're lazy as hell. The dollar menu's right there. And it's cheap. Like, I think I want to get a fast food joint. It's quick, easy. It's right there, fast, boom. Psh. Look at all the junk that's in it. Come on, we all seen Super Size Me. All the content they put in there, high in sodium and preservatives. It's not good for you, okay? Don't get me wrong, it tastes good. It tastes amazing. It's expensive to eat healthy, okay? I'm not gonna lie to you about that. It is expensive. You gotta do what you gotta do, right? Most of the time, I eat healthy. I eat my tilapia, rice, and broccoli. I meal prep. That's what I do. Now, every now and then, I have a little something. I don't eat it all the time. I don't get too crazy. Hey, yo, man, I just brought some McDonald's, man. Want a crispy chicken sandwich? Get out! Disrespecting, man. Is before you even start working out, the first thing you gotta worry about is your diet. You gotta have your numbers, your calories intake, protein intake, carbohydrate. You gotta get those numbers right. If your diet's not on point, you're gonna throw all of it away. 3 macronutrients, okay? Then you got your micronutrients too, which is your minerals and vitamins and all that other stuff. But pretty much for beginners, you gotta worry about your macros, your carbs, you got your protein, and you got your fats. They recommend people take 45 to 65% of their calories from carbs, 20 to 35% calories from fats, and 10 to 35% of their calories from protein. So that's usually about the range that you want to be, for it just in general. That's for your regular people. I'm not a regular person. If you exercise, you out of that sedentary lifestyle and get into that, exercise fitness lifestyle, you're working out 5 days a week. You got to switch up those numbers because you're not considered regular anymore. And women, women. I'm talking to everybody, but I'm speaking to you because you really need to hear this part because this is the part y'all keep working up, okay? If you're working out, you got to take more protein. That's the only thing muscle feeds on is protein. What did I just say, women? Some of y'all would think, oh, well, if I take too much protein, if I start working out, I'll start to look like a man. No, you're wrong again. Women, it doesn't matter how hard you work out. It doesn't matter how much protein you take. I mean, you're not gonna look like a man, okay? Last time you went to the bathroom, you went, usually, last time you looked down in your cositas, did you see, a little pecker? If you don't see that, guess what? You're a woman. Women take your protein. Muscle is a catalyst. It burns. So the more muscle that you have in your body, the more it's gonna burn fat. The higher the muscle mass is, the lower the fat mass goes. You see, it's like a teeter-totter. The less muscle you have, boom, the more fat you're gonna have. You see how that works? Science. So now that we understood that, yes, I'm going to go ahead and call that a wrap, boys and girls. That's 80% of your fitness and your goals, all right? Is your diet. That's the number one ticket to getting in shape. If you're out there in the gym, remember, you got to be safe. You got to think smart. Because there's a lot of people who do a lot of wrong things in the gym. A lot. Some people think it's cool. Don't do the wrong thing, okay? It's not cool. If you don't believe me, Mike, what you gotta say about people like doing the wrong thing?
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
Please like and subscribe, and I'll be putting more content out there for you that has something to do with a little bit of workout stuff. Peace, y'all.